I had a few people email me with set up some deals. So I'm going to make this offer for anyone who's interested in becoming a member of the King program. Number one, $1,000 down, and then $300 a month for the next 13 months. I'll set the program up, and how do you get into this? You have to email me, and then I will send you the link. And then once I send you the link, then I will add you to the King program and give you instructions. Something that we're getting ready to do, and this is for everyone that joins the King program, and this is why we need a large down payment. We will set up your LLC, holding company, and first operating company. You don't have to touch it. You don't have to do anything. I'm pulling one of my assistants to become my personal assistant, and they're going to handle that. And then we will walk you through the whole process of how to set up your corporate banking, and then we'll walk through the business. Now, this week, first thing I'm going to do is training on how to hire people. I literally have hired one, two, three people. Tomorrow will be the fourth, and we will have the weekend shift done, and then I need to hire another person for the other aspect of the weekend shift and get that going. So we have a lot of stuff that's going, a lot of stuff that's working on. So if you want to learn how to build a business for real, hire people, manage money, manage your holding company and operating company, go below and send me a message and say, I want the program. And then I'll send you an invoice or I'll send you a link so you can sign up for the King program. And then we can become friends and family. Because here's the thing, I have a lot of people. I have like 80 emails with people who want to talk to me. They want to hop on the phone, they want to do a Zoom call. But there's one little thing missing. There's no offer of payment. Now, here's the thing. Like, this, let's see. This is what I was doing today. This is the place to be. It's kind of thinned out, but there was a lot of folks here. It was at the Apparel Mart. This is where I get jewelry from. A friend of mine made that, and then that's my friend and his girlfriend. He owns a factory in India. They make jewelry, and I was just stroking around, looking at stuff. I like jewelry. This is one of the reasons I sell it. That's all real stuff. Real gold, real diamonds, and also, right? So that's what I'm doing. So I don't have time to just sit around and wait to talk to people for free. If you want to have a conversation with me, you need to get in the Kingdom program. And then every Sunday, we have a live webinar where you can show up and ask your questions. I am not going to get on the phone with you. I'm not going to answer your emails. I'm not going to fact find. I'm not doing that stuff. One, I got employees, I got a company, I have an office, I have expenses. I got a lot of stuff going on. And for me to just get on the phone and talk to you for free, that makes no sense. Makes no sense at all. So if you want to have a conversation, go ahead, join the Kingdom program. I'm gonna leave this offer in play for 48 hours and see how it works. $1,000 down, then $300 a month. Then we'll see. If it doesn't work, we'll get rid of it. Then we'll put on another one. So we will see. So you got 48 hours. This offer expires 4 p.m. on Thursday. 4 p.m. on Thursday. Once again, you must email me and say, I want the offer, and I'll hook you up.